Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie, and today we're going to work on another part of our little giraffe. In today's video, we'll learn how to make her legs and also these little spots. We are going to sew them onto her body. Remember, the other parts are already available here on the channel. Just click on my channel name and look for the other parts. I've numbered and named each part. For example, part 1, head, part 2, body, and so on, so you don't get lost, okay? Let's get started, guys. Using the brown yarn, I'll start with a magic ring. Secure my yarn and work 6 single crochets SC into the ring. This is our round 1. Now I'll close the ring and we'll start round 2, which will be 6 increases, 1 increase in each stitch around. We'll have a total of 12 single crochet in this round. Now let's do round 3. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and by the end of this round we'll have 18 SE total. Round 3 is finished. Let's move on to round 4. 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 6 times, and we'll have a total of 24 SC. Now for round 5. 3 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 6 times and we'll have a total of 30 SC. Just keep working 3 SC and 1 INC. Alright guys, round 5 is done. Now from round 6 to round 8, we'll work SC in each stitch around. All these rounds will have a total of 30 SC. I'll finish up to round 8 just working stitch over stitch, and I'll be back to continue with you, okay? Okay, I've finished round 8. Now for round 9, we're going to work 3 single crochets and 1 decrease, des. Repeat this sequence 6 times, and we'll end up with 24 SE. Now for round 10, 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. Repeat this 6 times, and we'll have a total of 18 SE. Alright, round 10 is finished. Now I'm going to change colors to yellow. I'll pull through the new color and start with a slip stitch, SLST, to begin the new round. From round 11 to round 18, we'll work SC in each stitch around. All these rounds will have a total of 18 SC. We count this initial slip stitch as a single crochet. It's just to make the color change more subtle. I'll cut the brown yarn since I'm done with it and tie these two tails together so they don't slip later. I'll keep going until round 18 and I'll be back. Okay, round 18 is done. I've added stuffing only to the brown part. We don't put stuffing in the yellow part. Now we're going to fold it like this. I'll turn the piece so the yarn is at the back, fold it, and join the stitches from both sides all the way across. I'll insert the hook through a stitch on this side and the corresponding stitch on the other side and work a single crochet. Since we have 18 stitches, we'll have 9 single crochets across the join. Done. Now I'll leave a long tail for sewing and pull it through. Our leg is ready. Remember, you'll need to follow the same pattern to make 2 legs. Now I'll show you how to make the spots. They are very easy to make and we'll need 6 of them. I'll show you how to make one and you can make the rest. Start with a magic ring and work 6 SC inside. Once I have the 6 SC, I'll close the ring and cut a tail for sewing, don't cut it too short, and pull it through. Now we'll use a tapestry needle. Thread the yarn. Insert the needle from back to front through the first SC we made, going under both loops, and pull through. Then, insert the needle back into the center of the last stitch where the yarn came from, going towards the back. This creates a perfect circle, invisible finish, and the tail stays at the back for sewing onto our amigurumi later. And that's how it looks. We'll fasten off the center tail, hide it and trim the excess, and leave the longer tail for sewing. Make 6 of these spots for our giraffe. And that's it for today's video, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. That's all for now. A big hug, stay with God, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.